Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed, and kept of the Lord. Guys, Happy New Year! Happy New 2021. I hope that this year has blessings and greatness and success and prosperity for all you, my wonderful subscribers. And guys, this year I promise you amazing recipes. You will love this, trust me, you will. And so I'm going to start off the year with this Indian curry. And God, my goodness, this recipe it is so good. It's an Indian mutton curry recipe. It's a little bit spicy, but you can always reduce the spices as you wish. So mutton is meat from a sheep. Yes, I think that's right. Right. Oh my God. Right. So guys, this is how our mutton looks like. What I have done to it, I have marinated it. Kindly check the description box for the ingredients on how I marinated it, but I've done this for like an hour and a half right now. So I just want us to prep it, and I would suggest you leave it in the freezer for as long as possible. So yes, for the ingredients, you're going to be needing this mutton curry that I've already marinated. We'll be needing some salt, plain yogurt. You can use any of the company for plain yogurt, Delamere, Brookside. I know there are many. For the spices, we'll be needing oregano. Guys, I love oregano. We'll be using cayenne. Like I said, this is an Indian recipe, so a lot of pepper will be used, but you can always, balance it to your desired taste and preference. This is black pepper. This is garam masala, and guys, garam masala is like the holy grail of this recipe. You cannot do this recipe without garam masala. This is cumin powder. What I have done, I bought cumin seeds, then I grinded them, and I would suggest that you buy the cumin seeds and grind them because you want the ground flavor of the cumin, because cumin is also a very important part of this recipe. And then of course we have turmeric for the flavor and color, and we'll be needing some tomato paste. I'm using Rico, but you can use any of your desired tomato paste. Cooking oil, some potatoes, and these are 4 potatoes. We have tomatoes. These are 4 tomatoes that I have blended, and then we have some red onion that I have sliced it up. These are around 2. Make sure that you have enough onions. And then in here I have the garlic ginger paste, my garlic ginger paste, and then we have some coriander for garnishing and for the end parts. So guys, let's just get. So guys, I'm heating up my oil in this pan, and I believe it's already hot enough. Great. So I'm going to add in my onions. My goodness, guys, we are back to the sizzle. Guys, remember that the Indian recipe requires a lot of patience, a ton of patience. And I think that's a secret that applies with all meals, that you need to be very much patient if you want your food to come out great and tasty. So we're just going to let these onions brown up, and then we'll continue. So guys, our onions are brown as I want them to, and at this point I'm going to add the garlic and ginger that I grated. If you don't like feeling the garlic and the ginger in your food, I suggest you mince it to be very fine. But by now my kitchen smells amazing. I just love the way garlic and ginger bring out their natural flavors into this recipe. You will love it. And I also insist that, guys, you follow the exact procedure if you want it to come out great. Follow the at this point, because I don't want my onions to burn, I'm going to add in my marinated mutton in there, and my goodness, the sizzle. So we are going to mix in everything. I just want to ensure that the onion and the garlic get into the mutton completely. So I'm going to leave it for a minute or two and then we go on. So guys, 2 minutes later, I believe now the onion and the garlic have mixed into our mutton pretty well. So at this point, I'm going to add in the spices, and these are the same spices that I used to marinate the mutton, so I don't want them to be too much. This is cumin, garam masala, turmeric, black pepper, this is oregano, and this is the cayenne. Guys, it smells so good in here, so good. So I'm going to let the spices to cook for a minute and then we go on. So guys, the spices are done after 2 minutes. Please let the spices cook. Give them some time. Next, I'm going to pour in my tomatoes that I had blended. I'm just going to give it a good stir. The next, I'm going to add my tomato paste because I also want it to cook. About 2 tablespoons. Of tomato paste. So guys, I'm going to give it a nice stir and ensure everything is blended in together. As you can see, the tomato paste gives this recipe a very rich taste. So please, also don't skip the tomato paste part because we are going to let it simmer and then we will go on. So guys, at this point we've given the tomato paste and the tomatoes enough time to simmer. So I'm just going to give it a stir, and you can see the more time you give it, the more the richer the color gets. So at this point I'm going to add enough salt to taste, and remember that when we were marinating the meat we added salt, so be careful with the salt. The next, I'm going to add in my natural yogurt. in here about half a cup, not a lot of it. This is a 250 ml, so yes, 250 ml is a cup. Then I'm going to give it a nice stir and just ensure everything is well incorporated. Then next, guys, I am going to add in the potatoes. If you don't like potatoes, you can skip this part, but I feel it tastes better with the potatoes. I love it with the potatoes, so yes, I'll have it with mine. And water. Give it a nice stir. Then we will cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. So guys, 20 minutes later, and oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Just look at that. Everything is well cooked, everything is as I want it to. So I'm just going to add this cilantro or coriander in there, then switch off my cooker and just, you know, mix it up well. Perfect. And then I'm going to serve this. So guys, it's turned out great. I love how it looks. It looks amazing. Guys, have this spicy mutton with potato curry. Have it with some rice or naan bread. Actually, that makes me just want to make some naan right now. Look out for my naan video that is going to be coming out soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to have this with my rice, and I know it's going to taste amazing, guys. See you on our next video, and remember to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. Sorry. Oh my god. Remember to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. Try the recipes, post them on your stories, and please remember to tag me. But guys, until next time, guys, stay blessed, and we'll be back with more videos.